Hey, how's it going? It's Jasper from Nomo here, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can animate anything on the.com with the use of CSS animation. We're going to achieve these by using the style sheet element and also by assigning the right ID and class name, the right attribute to the element on your page that you want to be animated. And let's get right into it. Yep, what you're currently looking at on the screen is what we are trying to achieve today. As you can see, it's a pretty simple back and forth animation. It's a loop. I'm not going to go into details about the animation part, the CSS animation part. Rather, this video is about how you can apply CSS animation to elements on your the.com page. So yeah, let's get right into it. Now I'm going to make a new page. I'm going to name it CSS Animate. And because the image I'm going to use works best on a darker background, so I'm just going to change the background color to black, but you can leave it white. And then I'm going to add a paragraph element. I'm just going to quickly type something in here. Yep. And once we're done, I am going to add a image element here. And because I have image uploaded to this project, so my image will pop up. If you don't have any image, upload first and then use the image element. And then because this image is pretty big, I'm just gonna make it 50% max width and height. Now the elements are, oh no, I forgot. The text color, I need to change it to white because it is default to black and we can't see anything. And also I'm gonna make it bigger. Yep, 80 pixel. Yep. And then the last thing we're going to add is style sheet. This is where we're going to insert our CSS animation code here. So I'm just going to copy over my CSS animation as shown in the demo, and I'm going to paste it here. As you can see, this animation is applied to any, this hashtag means that this animation is applied to any element that with an ID name called Animate. And if I change it to, for example, let's change it to P, paragraph, you can see my paragraph element is started to animate straight away. This is how simple you can just reuse your animation or apply animation to the right element on your page very easily. Okay, I'm gonna change it back to ID name Animate, and then with that, if we want to apply this animation to, for example, this paragraph, we just need to assign the attribute ID name, and then I'm gonna insert animate here. As you can see, it started animating. Okay, the picture was moving a little bit. It was a bug, but yeah, as you can see, after that, this is animating, and we can also use class name. So let's delete the ID name and then give it a class name Animate. You can see that it stopped animating. It is because our animation is currently applied to just ID name rather than a class name. So what we can do is if we change the class name, change the hashtag to a dot, that means now this animation is applying to class name Animate. As you can see, the paragraph started moving again. Yeah, this is basically the whole flow, how you can insert an animation and apply this animation to the right element. You can either name the animation, assign this animation to a certain class or ID name, or you can just apply it to all the elements. For example, just apply it to all the paragraph elements on your page. Yeah, and then we can also animate this image by giving this image a class name Animate as well. And yeah, sometimes it does not move because you just need to go somewhere else. For example, I'm gonna go to the worksheet and then come back to it, and then you can see that started animating again. So yeah, hope this video helped, and now you know how to quickly apply animation to your page and make your page more interactive, more immersive, and more engaging for your audience. Let me know if this video helped, and also what other topics that you want to learn about the.com. Happy to make more video about the.com because it is a very fun tool to use, and a very once you get used to it, it is a very quick tool to build your website with. So yeah, follow me on Twitter at Nomo at Nomo Codes, or subscribe and like this channel. So until next time, ciao.